How to have all the contain matches of a string column? Let's take this small data frame. I would like to create a new data frame, having its index and column names equal to the values of column name, whose values are equal to true or false if the index belongs to the column name. Expected output. How please could I do?
Use series.str.contains in list comprehension, create masks and join together by concat, then set index, transpose by dataframe.t and last remove index and columns names by dataframe.rename_axis.
Máxima precisión.